Yummy.
Angelina. Ready for bed? Ay, ano ka ba? Ay, kumakain ka pa niyan. You go brush your teeth na. Sige na.
No, Yaya. I'm still eating my chocolate.
Ay, naku, stop eating chocolates na. You go brush your teeth, tapos you go to bed na, sleep ka na, okay?
No, I still wanna eat my chocolate.
Ay, sinabing tama na. Angelina, mag-toothbrush ka na. Sige.
Yaya, you're such a loser. You give me back my chocolate or else I won't brush my teeth.
Ah, okay, sige. If you not brush your teeth, ako mag-brush ng teeth mo. Ganito ako mag-brush ng teeth. Ganon. Brush ko teeth mo ganon. Gusto mo?
Ew. Fine. Fine. I'll brush my teeth.
Yan, very good. Sige, bakit kasi kain ng chocolate na ito gabi na eh?
Okay, I'll brush my teeth only if you give back my chocolate.
Ay, no. I'm sorry, Angelina. I will not give this to you. Magsipilyo ka, matulog ka, bukas ka na. Ano ba? Ba't? Hilig-hilig mo dito sa chocolate na ito. Hindi naman siguro ito masustansya.
Because, Yaya, it's so yummy.
So
I love chocolates. It's so yummy.
Hindi ako niwala sa'yo.
You try it, Yaya.
Ay, ayoko.
Come on, you try it.
Ayoko, hindi ako makain ng ganito.
Just one lang, Yaya. You try it.
No. Ayoko kumain ito. Hindi ako mahilig sa chocolate.
You try it, Yaya. Come on, you're such a loser. You try it.
Ayoko baka magalit ang mami mo.
I won't tell Mommy, I promise.
Hindi mo sabihin, ha?
I won't tell. You try it. You
Pero,
like it.
konti lang, ha? Konti lang.
Just one.
Konti, ha?
You try it.
Yan. Grabe ka sarap ito! At sarap pala ng chocolate! Grabe nga ito, ah! Katuwa ito, Angelina, kaya pala naloka ka dito, na-addict ka na, no?
See, I told you, Yaya, I love chocolate so much because it's the best food in the world. I love my chocolates. Now, Yaya, can I have my chocolate back? Where's my chocolate?
What? Ha? Ah! Ay! Naubod ko pala. Ang sarap kasi eh. So,
Yaya, you're such a loser. I hate you. You made almost my chocolate.
naman, ito naman, ano masisi mo ba ako? Masarap pala talaga. Ngayon lang. Ah! Ah! Ay! Angelina! Ay! Masakit ang ngipin ko. Ay! Aray!
Aha.
Ay! Matamis ito. Ay!
Yaya, that's what you call karma. That's what you call karma. See, because you made ubos my chocolate, you got karma.
Ay, Angelina, hindi ako nagbilok. Masakit talaga. Ay!
It's painful, Yaya.
Ay!
Wait, I'll help
Ano
you.
gagawin ko?
I'll help
What?
you. Wait, I'll brush your teeth. Wait.
Makirot ito, ah!
Wait.
Ay, pisti itong chocolate na ito. Dapat din ako nagkain ito, eh.
Here, Yaya, wait, come. You sit down.
What?
I'll brush your teeth. I brush your teeth. See? See? You drink water. Yeah, see.
Tama na! Tama na! Hindi naman nawala, eh. Ganun pa rin. Masakit pa rin.
I know. I'll use dental floss, Yaya.
Dental floss? Ano ka ang dental floss yan?
Ew, you don't use dental floss?
Hindi ko nga alam kung ano yan. Ano ba yung makinarya ba yan?
No, it's so that the pain will go away, Yaya.
Naku, bilisan mo, aray, ang sakit! Ang sakit!
Here, dental floss.
Yan ba ang dental floss?
Yeah. Okay.
Maalis ba ang ngakit ng ngipin ko yan? Ha?
Yes.
Sigurado
You ready?
ka, oh?
1, 2, go!
Ano ginawa mo?
Yaya, no more pain. No more tooth.